All right, let's see if we have some questions we can go over next. We've got a question here. Could you go over how to set up a promo code? Example, 10% off site-wide. Sure. So DecoNetwork does give you the option to set up coupon codes. Depending, I will make a note here, depending on which plan you're on, this may be a paid option. It is included at our most popular plan, which is the premium plan. But if you're on a plan that doesn't have this option included, you'll still see it in your menu, which is here under marketing within the admin menu. You'll see the option for coupon codes. Um, if you don't have it enabled for your plan, you'll see it kind of listed like this, slightly grayed out. You'll see that yellow plus icon. You can go ahead and click on it, and that'll give you the option to enable it. It'll let you know if there's any costs associated with that. All right, so again, we're coming into marketing. We're going into coupon codes, and from here we have the option to go ahead and create a new coupon code. So it's fairly straightforward, but we'll go ahead and walk through it. So first thing you might want to do is go ahead and enable that coupon code. You can set the code, which is what the user will end up using. So the example here is 10% off. So we'll say 10 off. We'll set the coupon name to the exact same thing, 10 off. And here's where you can set your discount amount. Now the discount amount can be defined either as a percentage or as a dollar amount. In this case, we're doing a percentage, so we'll leave it set to that and we'll enter in our 10. You do have the ability to set an expiration date. So let's say we're doing up till the end of August here. So we'll say August 31st. And if you did want to have a minimum purchase requirement in order to use this coupon, you can define that here as well. In my case, it's just a straight 10% off regardless of your minimum order value. All right, and then the last thing here, the number of uses you can define here. So let's say I don't want this coupon to be used more than 100 times. Once it's been used 100 times, that will go ahead and expire. All right, you do also have some options for product availability. So you can define which kinds of products this coupon is valid for, whether it's pre-decorated products, non-decoratable products. That would be, something that's kind of an as-is, like maybe a scarf, which it's not necessarily decorated on, but you offer for sale as an as-is product, or blank products, items that can be decorated but may not have any decoration applied to them. You can also have it applied to the cost of shipping, although that is off by default. So you can select, again, which types of items you want that to apply to. And then down at the bottom of this section here, you can define which product defaults, or like we looked at earlier, product groups, this coupon would apply to. So again, that same example where if you had a grouping for business cards and a grouping for your apparel, you can select which of those groupings this coupon is valid for. All right, so for this one, I might say, this is only for my apparel. So I'll select that. And then the last screen here that we have access to is the store availability. This would show up if you're on a plan that has access to multiple web stores. So you can define which of your multiple web stores this coupon could be applied in. By default, that's going to be all of your stores. So if you don't want it available for all of your stores, just a specific one, you can set this option to not in any store by default. And then down here under either the group or the store level, you can go in and say, I want to go ahead and give access to this Tony store, and anyone shopping through that store will be able to use that coupon. So we can go ahead and save that change. All right, so I think that kind of covers the follow-up question there as far as, if there's multiple sites associated with an account, can you have the promo code only be used on one of those sites? So you definitely can through that store availability option.